Alright guys, so I'm going to change the oil in the Mitsubishi Strada. I'm going to show you where to drain it. I've got it up on ramps. We don't want it on ramps when we do this. I just did that so I could show you the video. I'm not changing the filter this time. I've ordered a filter. It'll be here in a few weeks. And then I'll change the oil all over again with a new filter. I just, I want fresh oil in there, so that's what I'm going to get. So we get underneath here, you got this solid freaking scrape pan, to protect the engine. But if you look up in this little hole here, this shaped hole right here, you look up in there, there's your drain bolt. Straight down, like from here, straight down in to there. It's where your drain bolt is. If you go back further, there's a drain bolt for your front gearbox, whatever it's called. I forget right off the top of my head. And I'll be doing this as well. But not today. I'll be draining this in the rear one and going through all the greasing of everything, and another day though. Today I just want to get this guy out. So I'm going to back her off and undo it and drain the oil out. So I use the bottom of a 5-gallon bucket that I cut off. This will not take and catch all of the oil. It's going to overfull. So I'm going to stay there and let it fill up to a certain point, put the bolt back in, and then dump this into an empty container, and then drain the rest of it out. It is a 17 millimeter, I believe, to undo that drain bolt. So let me get this all in place and get her loose. So I got some in the bottle and then in the bucket, and let's see if I can get a view of this. That stuff is just black, but it is still, viscous. It was still working, but I just needed to get that out of there and some fresh oil in it. Hold on. I only use Rotella 15W40 on any of my diesel engines. It's just always been very good oil, so that's what I'm going to be using on this. I'll put it in the description below for you if you want to click on the link. It'll take you where you can get some. I'm not sure exactly how much oil this takes, so I'm just going to go a little at a time. It's not so bad looking in there. Here, let me see if I turn the flashlight on. Can't really see really well in there. It's not horrifying in there. So it had its oil changed regularly, I'm pretty sure. I mean, the thing looks clean, so on the inside. So, I'm just going to change it now, and when I get my oil filter, I'll change it again. It ain't going to hurt nothing. Rinse my funnel out with brake cleaner. Make sure it's nice and clean before I dump this in there. I think I'm going to go with a full gallon, and then see how much it needs after that. I'm pretty sure it's going to be around 5 quarts. Stop just before a gallon, like a quart shy, just to make sure. And that's where we are so far. That's at 1 gallon. It's just at that first line. So another quart should do it. Here it is. So 5 quarts of oil. It's perfect. I'm going to go ahead and put the cap back on this and start it up and recheck it just to make sure we are a little bit low. We're idle for a few minutes. And looks perfect. Now, see, it's dark already. That's because I didn't change the oil filter, and then whatever residue is left in there as well. But it should be much cleaner come the next time that I change it. But at least I know the oil is good, so. And I'm going to dump the rest into the empty bottle. I got the quart filled. It should be fill up that empty bottle all the way. I got a disposal tank at my small engine shop. So, alright guys, this helped you out any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.